Hi, today we'll be learning Inter VLAN routing concept. So Inter VLAN routing is the routing that is done between different VLANs. That could be two or more than two. And let's talk about VLANs. So VLANs are used to separate different subnetwork in a big network. If we divide a network with VLANs, then each new VLAN becomes different network. And devices within that network cannot communicate with other devices in other network. So in that case we need routing. So the process of creating a routing between VLANs is known as Inter VLAN, and we can configure Inter VLAN routing in two different methods. First is router on stick Inter VLAN, and another is Inter VLAN routing with layer 3 switch. So let's go to lab now. So you can see I am here in my Cisco packet tracer, and we are going to configure router on a stick Inter VLAN routing. So I'm going to take 3 PC and I'm going to create 3 VLANs with 3 different IP address. This is my 3 PC and I'm going to name it VLAN 2, give it a name HR, and then 10.0.0.10, that will be my IP, and my gateway will be 10.0.0.1. This will be my gateway. Let's go to another PC and then I'll be naming it as VLAN 3 and name it TMR, and then my IP will be 172.168.0.10, and my gateway will be 172.168.0.1 will be my gateway. Cells, and then IP 192.168.0.10, and my gateway will be 192.168.0.1 will be my gateway. So let's take switch, connecting device switch. So this is my switch, and let's take another router. So this will be my router. Let's connect these devices now. Switch pass Ethernet 0/1 to PC1, and then second to second, and then third one 0/3 to third PC. And let me connect router 0/0 to 0/4. Okay, now let's go to each PC and assign an IP. Go to desktop, then IP config, and assign the IP 10.0.0.10. This is our subnet marks, and then our default gateway will be 10.0.0.1. Close it. Go to our second PC and desktop, IP, and then assign IP 172.168.0.10, and our default IP will be 172.168.0.1. Now let's go to third PC and give the IP address. And third PC IP address is 192.168.0.10. Default subnet marks, and our gateway is 192.168.0.1. This is our default gateway. Now let's go to switch and configure VLAN. Here I am in switch now. Enable and config mode. Okay, now let's create a VLAN, VLAN 2, and name it as VHR, and then assign the interface. So interface FA0/1, switch port access VLAN 2. So this is how we create our VLAN 2. Now let me create VLAN 3. VLAN 3. So name it as MR, and then connect the interface INTFA0/2, switch port access VLAN 3. This is how we create our VLAN 3. Now let's create VLAN 4. VLAN 4. Name it cells, and then assign interface FA0/3. I guess it's 0/3. I'm not sure. It's FA0/3. Assign the interface FA0/3 to VLAN 4, switch port access VLAN 4. Now you can do show VLAN to check if you have created all the VLAN successfully or no. So you can see VLAN 2 is created and activated fast Ethernet 0/1, and VLAN 3 is activated with fast Ethernet 0/2, and VLAN 4 as a cells activate as FA 0/3. Now you can see our fast Ethernet 0/4 is connected with the router, so we need to enable the trunk here. Let's go to switch again. Enable the fast Ethernet 0/4, which is connected with the router. We have to enable fast Ethernet 0/4. So interface FA0/4, and then enable SWITC switch port. Switch port mode trunk. So this will help to establish the trunking. Now we finish all the configuration with switch, and then let's go to router. Okay, let's go to router now and make this fast Ethernet 0/0 port up. If you take your cursor over there, you can see fast Ethernet 0/0 is down right now. So let's go to router, double click in router, enable mode, config mode, and then interface FA0/0, no, shutdown. In this way you will do the port up. You can go back, you can see fast Ethernet 0/0 is up now. Okay, let's go back to configuration again and create sub interface, or you can say virtual port for fast Ethernet 0/0. Let me write fast Ethernet 0/0 and create a virtual port or sub interface for the VLAN 2. So I'm going to write .2 because I'm going to create a sub interface for VLAN 2. So now I'm doing enter, and then now the port is on, you can see, and then write encapsulation TION encapsulation .1Q space 2, that is VLAN 2, and assign IP address 10.0.0.1, which is our gateway. and subnet mask for class A network is 255.0.0.0. So this is how you create the sub interface. Let me do exit and intfa0/0, create sub interface for my VLAN 3, and then encapsulation dot 1q space 3 for my VLAN 3. I'll assign IP address 172.168.0.1 and subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. So this interface is created now. Let's go back and then create another interface, fa0/0.4 VLAN 4. Interface for VLAN 4.1q space 4 and IP address 192.168.0.1. This is the default gateway for VLAN 4 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So if you close it, keep cursor over the router, you can see now fast Ethernet 0/0.2 for VLAN 2 and 0/0 for 3 VLAN 3 and 0/0.4 for VLAN 4, and we have assigned the IP 10.0.0.1 and 172.168.0.1, 192.168.0.1. So now you can go to your any PC and then command prompt and then try to ping. I already have pinged before. You can see reply. It's replying. So in this way you can go to another PC and try to ping with the IP address. So now let me send a packet from PC 0 to PC 1. You can see it's successful now. So this is how you do inter VLAN routing. So thanks for watching.